What about you? Robbie from Premier Lawns, lawn care company based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Today we're at a lovely house out in Holywood. We're doing some aerating, some scarifying, and we're going to be levelling out a bit of an area, so stick around. If this is the first time you've visited this channel, hit the like button down below, subscribe for more content like this. I post regular tips and tricks on how to bring your lawn to the next level. Again, if you could just smash that like button down below, because it really helps me out and it helps me grow my channel. Listen, thanks very much, so let's go. Anyone that follows my channel will always hear me say, anytime I talk about lawn care, aerating's the #1 best thing that you can do for your lawn. So I'll just show you. We'll take one of these cores here. Take one of these cores. You see in this lawn there's very little roots in it. Over time your lawn becomes compacted and the roots can't get down. So if you don't have deep roots in your lawn, then your lawn can't store a lot of nutrients. If you want a really good lawn, aeration is really key, and it's something you want to be thinking about doing once a year to your lawn. So let's get back to it. Daniel's just done the aerating. I'm going to come along through the scarifying. We'll lift all that up. There's a couple of areas on it that have got some hollows in it, so we're going to put some soil in those. So as you can see, it's good. You can see a good hole in underneath that. Sometimes I would consider digging that out, but I think in this occasion, I'm just going to put a lot of soil in there and then put a load of seed over the top of it. Right guys, so as you can see, we've started our second pass, so we'll go one way and then we'll go the other. The tighter you bring the lines together, the less you take out. All right guys, so we've scarified the lawn once, and now I'm going to show you why we'll go across it again. So we have taken quite a bit out, but you can see there's still quite a bit of moss and stuff through that. So I did explain it a minute ago, whenever we're going lines like that, the closer you take the line, then the less harsh you are on the turf. So because there's quite a bit of moss left in this, and I've gone that way, I'm now going to go across it that way, and that takes the most out. So we'll do it again, and then we'll see if it needs to be done after that.
Premier Lawns have been working on my garden for the last year or so, and I've always found them to be very reliable, always prompt. Whenever they say they're coming, they always come and do a very good job and are very reasonably priced. I couldn't recommend them highly enough.
Right guys, welcome back. We didn't have time to do this yesterday in the space of the van, so we'll have these humps in the, we'll have these hollows in the lawn where I showed you yesterday when we put the rake across. We're having the topsoil, we're just going to fill these areas in. Now sometimes I might dig this out, but I think just because they are pretty deep there, I think we can get away with just throwing the soil in and standing it down. Okay, so Daniel and I are just finished standing this in, making sure, compressing it well down in. We're going to give it a final rake off, and then I'm going to seed it. So we'll have our grass seed. There's a lot of fescues and rye in here for the shade. Right guys, I hope you've enjoyed this here, renovating this lawn, doing a bit of top dressing, overseeding. Make sure you smash that like button because it really helps me out and it helps me grow my channel. Subscribe for more content like this. I post regular lawn care tips and tricks of bringing your lawn to the next level. Again, look, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.